Risotto is a delicious dish to make from scratch at home, and here are my top tips to make it perfect and restaurant quality every time. First, the rice. So I like to use arborio rice or cannaroli rice. These are short grain rices, which means the starch is going to come out of the rice, giving us a lovely creamy texture. The second tip is make sure you use the right pan. I like a pan that has a medium style lip. It ensures that we can actually toss and flick our risotto to make sure we get that lovely creaminess. Be sure to add hot stock, not cold stock. That'll mean that the rice will cook evenly. Next, don't allow your risotto to boil. Just a gentle simmer allows that rice to slowly cook and absorb all of that delicious liquid. Don't overcook it. So cook it for about 15 to 18 minutes or until the rice is al dente. The final step is to add your butter and your parmesan at the very last minute. In fact, you want to turn it off, then add it. By doing that, you're going to get that gorgeous sheen on your risotto every time.